Ampcontrol transformers are a business that builds transformers from anywhere up to 132 kV, 75 MVA. We also specialise in the overhaul of any transformers for any sites. Ampcontrol have been working with Bengalla for over 20 years now. We're looking at their overhaul of their main infrastructure substation, and particularly their main transformer, which is their 66 kV transformer on site. This transformer was a sister transformer to a previous overhaul that we did 2 years ago, and we worked with the mine electrical engineer, Luke Simpson, to develop the scope of works, and also with our design and delivery manager.
This transformer has been in operation since 1998, so it's around about 23 years old. Transformers normally last around 20 years with zero maintenance. We maintain this transformer every 2 years. This, in conjunction with the midlife, will extend the life of the transformer another 20 years, which is life of mine for Bengalla Mine. The critical part of the whole project is to tighten up the winding clamping system. So the windings in the transformers is clamped by a wooden block. Over 20 years, those wooden blocks start to shrink due to the insulating fluid in the transformer dissolving into the wood. Thus, the clamping system of the windings start to get loose. During the detanking, that clamping system will be tightened up to ensure that over the next 20 years, the internals of that transformer will not move and will ensure that the transformer won't fail.
The business units involved for this overhaul was our high voltage field service team, who completed the disassembly and reassembly on site, and the overhaul was completed at our transformers workshop based here in Tomago.
Bengalla and Ampcontrol have had a relationship, I guess, for a couple of decades now. From the very start of Bengalla, we've worked with Ampcontrol, and that's been through various installations as well as using Ampcontrol's products. We use Ampcontrol's technologies in protection, we use them in an engineering space with design, and we also use Ampcontrol with installations as well as maintenance on our equipment as well. I think the key to success really is the open and transparent relationship. We're very open and honest with Ampcontrol, and Ampcontrol's very open and honest with us as well, and they're willing to work with us. It's not just a transactional arrangement, it's actually we're working together to achieve an outcome, and it's a right outcome for Bengalla as well as Ampcontrol.